loves, and we're back with another video. Yes, we're back with another video. And as you guys saw by the title, I will be unboxing my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have the deep purple and I have the second like storage, not the lowest but the one after that, so I think it's 256. So yeah, I'm super excited. And let me just tell you, I've been waiting for UPS all day. I was supposed to get delivered before 7 and it is currently 4:15. So yeah, I got it right here. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my address, but yeah, let's get to unboxing this. I'm super excited. But before that, I was about to do my hair. I'm waiting for my A-Press like gel extension kit to come to do my nails, so I look a little bit of a hot mess. I literally just did my makeup and threw on this purple shirt so you guys feel the purple vibes. Let me know what you guys think. This is literally probably the quickest and messiest I've ever done my makeup. I don't even have falsies on, but yeah, I'm super impatient. I just want to open it because how I have missed my Pro Max version of my iPhone. I currently have the iPhone 12. I don't know if it's the Max. I don't know if it's Pro, but it's like the smaller screen. So yeah, I currently have the product red iPhone 12. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So let's open up the new phone. I'm so excited. Okay, so it comes with bubble wrap in the box. And I have my service through T-Mobile, just in case you were wondering. So it comes with like a little bubble wrap thingy, and here it is. Ooh. I'm a few months late. I did want this for my birthday, which is in October, which is normally around when they launch their new phone. But you know what? Better late than never. You know, because I honestly do feel the next one that they come out with is gonna be some foolery, like it's gonna have a folding screen or something, and I wasn't interested in the Galaxy, and I'm not interested in it from iPhone. So yeah, back to this bad boy. Let's get into the ASMR of things and peel off the opening stickers, you know, the little tabs that they come with now. I'm sorry that I didn't do that like a little bit more satisfying. I'm super excited and just want my hands on the actual phone. I'm also going to be showing you guys a few of the accessories that I did purchase for the it's hot in here. I shouldn't get so excited that I get hot, but I also have to turn my fan off so you guys can hear me. But you know, with that plus my excitement, I'm super like hot. I'm gonna try not to be one of the people that show their phone and drop it without a case, because I'm gonna cry. So look at, oh my goodness. Okay, so look at the purple. You know, I was super like, I'm a Libra, so we naturally indecisive. So at first I was gonna get the gold. I knew for sure that I did not want silver because it's so basic and boring. So first I was gonna get gold, but I had my 13 Pro Max in gold. And then the black looks super sleek, but everybody who had the purple was like so like infatuated with it. So I watched so many reviews, so many unboxings, and I was sold. So here she is. That is gorgeous. I almost did it. Ooh, I missed that weight, girl. Ooh. Before I take the front sticker off, I'm just gonna put my phone like on top just so you guys can actually see like the size difference. So you get a lot more screen like real estate on both ends, wider and like, what is it, height, like width and height. Like that's such a big difference. And it's like that matte satiny type of back, not so much like the shiny glass. And the sides, I believe they're stainless steel or titanium. I am in actual love with my phone right now. So yeah, we could do the boring part. They send that thing that just fell with stickers in it and manual, and then they send a wire. They no longer include the brick because Apple is quite cheap. While their phones get more expensive, their packaging gets cheaper. So also in here it says like you no longer need like the little thing because Apple is upgrading to eSIM, which means you don't need an actual physical SIM card anymore, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's get to peeling off the sticker. So on the white sticker, it does have like the little signs. So volume down, volume up, like silence, and then the power button. She's off. She's off. Okay. Oh my god. I must say this is so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. I really wish they would have came out with a pink phone because why wouldn't you come out with pink for the Pro Max version of your phone? Come on, Apple, do better. There she goes. She's officially on. I'm so happy. All right, so there it goes. It says hello, then it starts saying it in other languages. Can we get back to English, please? So I'm gonna do the setup really quickly. You probably can't tell because my camera sucks, but yeah, I'm gonna do the setup real quickly. Oh my god, I forgot how big this phone is. Like, this is gonna take some getting used to again because I've had this one for a year. And then before that I had the 13 Pro Max. So I'm just starting the eSIM like transfer. So I'm transferring my number from this SIM to my new phone. I know that's probably gonna take a little while, so while that's in process, I am gonna show you guys the other accessories that I did get for my phone. I got a whole bunch of cases, but I'm gonna be doing a Shein case haul. But I'm gonna show you the first initial case that I purchased for this exact moment, for when I got it from Walmart. And I also got some camera like ring bumps, blinky adhesive things. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna finish this real quick and leave it setting up, and then I'll be right back. All right, so right now we are in the process of installing the update, but it's like loading. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like the little buffer sign and it's taking forever. So I'm just going to show you guys the 3 things that I got for it. Preview of the Shein haul cases that I got. I have quite a few here, but that's not what I'm showing you. The first case that I got, actually my stepdad got for me. It was a moment he knows how much I love cases, and he's like, that's your thing, so if you want one you could get it for me. I mean, you could get it for yourself. So I picked this one. I believe it was $5 or $10, and it says for iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it just has like this cool like crystallized design to it. So this is what the case looks like, and let's just pop this bad boy on. All right, so this is what it looks like with it on. That's actually pretty cool. So yeah, Walmart had some pretty cool options, but not a lot for this phone. This is a newer phone, so the option and selection for cases probably not going to be the best. So just work with what you got. So yeah. I would like to order 5 Big Macs and 10 French fries. Make 2 chocolate milkshakes on the side as well. Yeah, this is so cute. I actually really like this case, and it doesn't feel like cheap or anything. Good quality, good quality. So I'm gonna take this off. Ow. Next thing I got says camera lens protector for iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the purple diamond one. This is what it looks like. I will leave this linked down below in the description bar, and I will put a picture up here of what it looks like on Amazon. I'm all about bling. Like, I love rhinestones on my nails and having bling nails, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know why I'm saying it like that, but I do love it. And I hope this comes with directions. So this is what they look like. Come freaking on. How freaking cool is that? So they had like a dark purple and a light purple. I got the light purple just to give it some variety. So yeah, we are going to apply this right now and I'll come back and show you what it looks like on the actual phone. Look at how cute that is. Oh, I am actually like obsessed. Are you getting the cotton? Are you getting the purple vibes? Like, how freaking cute is that? And the camera is so like, can you see the difference between camera size from my old phone to this phone? Insane. So the next thing I got is a tempered glass screen protector. This is from Island. Oh, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or butchering it, but this is what it looks like. Again, I will leave a photo here of what it looks like on Amazon and leave the link down below in the description box. So I'm actually going to install this right now and then I will show you guys what it looks like when I come back. So I'm like having difficulties transferring all my data from my old iPhone, but I did pop on the screen protector. There's like a little bit of dust underneath it, but nothing too crazy. I can manage. So I'm just going to set this up and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for a what's on my iPhone video. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? We've been through the 305 highway. Loving like a ride fast lane.